the secret language of birds. Hello and welcome to my channel, Wings of Wonder. I'm Feroz Malik, and today we're going to uncover something fascinating. If you love nature and want to learn how birds really communicate, stay tuned. You'll be amazed at what they do without words. When I say bird language, I mean all the ways birds talk to each other, not just chirping. They use calls, songs, body movements, feather displays, and even silence. Each species has its own dialect. Sharing messages about danger, food, mating, or simply bonding. Let's explore the main ways birds communicate. Songs and calls. A song might attract a mate or mark territory. A sharp call can warn of predators. Body language. Puffing feathers, head bobs, tail flicks. Each gesture carries meaning. Learning birds' body language helps you bond with them and understand their feelings and needs. When the bird bobs its head up and down, it's a sign that they're happy and content. When they clean and arrange their feathers, it means that they're feeling relaxed and comfortable in their environment. If they puff up their feathers, it could be a sign that they're feeling anxious or scared. Biting and lunging can be a sign of aggression or territorial behavior. Birds often show they're angry or upset by spreading their wings wide and flapping them up and down. Tail bobbing or sitting hunched on a perch or cage bottom can be signs that a bird is sick. A bird might sneeze, sleep a lot, or lose its voice. It could also start eating more or less than usual, or suddenly drink a lot more water. Finally, his droppings may change. Silence and gestures. Sometimes saying nothing means everything, like danger nearby. Songbirds sing at dawn to claim territory and show strength. Parrots mimic not just for fun, but to bond with their flock. Crows and ravens are brilliant. They warn about predators, call for help, even gossip.
One of my favorite things to observe and learn about crows are the interactions that they have, where there's a coordinated effort to defend something that's important to them, whether it's the danger of a predator like an eagle or a hawk or a cat, or whether it's just rival crows competing for territory and nest sites and food. And I have often talked about the vocal mobbing alarms that crows will make in the presence of a predator like an owl. Because these cawing sounds that crows make are just so loud and noticeable and can lead us to discover some really amazing things about not just the crows, but also the relationship of those crows to their wider landscape and the other animals in the landscape. This type of vocal alarm is very common, but crows actually have another type of alarm that is primarily expressed through body language.
Lovebirds show affection through gentle chirps and preening, proving why they earned their name. Why does this secret language matter? Conservation. By listening, scientists know if birds are stressed or thriving. Birdwatching. You don't always need to see a bird. Listening reveals hidden stories. Human connection. Birds remind us that communication isn't just words, it's tone, gesture, and presence. Want to learn bird language yourself? Here's how. First, listen often, especially at dawn. Notice the meaning behind sounds. Second, record and compare with apps or online resources. Third, watch body language, fluffed feathers, open wings, silence. Fourth, study more books, research, and videos can guide your journey. Birds have a secret language, full of beauty and meaning. Next time you hear them sing, remember they're speaking, they're alive, and they're sharing stories with us. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Wings of Wonder for more amazing stories from nature. And tell me in the comments, which bird call do you find most beautiful or mysterious? Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay wonder-filled.